shock absorber removal. Needed tools are a ratchet, an extender, a 14mm and 17mm socket, a 14mm spanner, a torque driver, a strap and a fabric. Take out these 3 screws and you can take off the seat and the left and the right cover. You have to take now a fabric and put it on the heat protector. Fix the strap around the swing arm and the muffler. On top you can also route the strap between the fairing and the subframe. Position the locker close to the swing arm. Open the lower linkage bolt. Therefore you use a 14mm spanner and a 17mm ratchet. And take off the nut. Take out the bolt. If it's difficult, you lift up the swing arm a little bit. Move the tie rod back. Use the strap to get the swing arm to the top end position. Open the bolt on the shock absorber. It's a 14mm head. And take it out. Loose the upper bolt, but don't take it out. Keep it in. Support the temper with your right hand. Lift up the temper a little bit and now you can take out the bolt easy. The shock moves down and stops on the rocker arm. Now take it with the left hand on top and grab the low end with your right hand. Move the lower end backwards off from the rocker arm, twist it a little bit to the right side and you should get out the suspension. Here we are, the temper is out. And the opposite direction for assembling. Lift up the shock absorber and bring back the bolt. It's the longer one. And tighten by hand. Assemble the lower screw and bolt by hand if it's possible. Tighten up the lower and the upper bolt to 39 Nm or 29 foot-pound. Push the tie rod to the front. Let the swing arm come down as long as it takes that the tie rod is close to the hole of the rocker arm. Get the bolt in and let the swing arm come down really slow, so you will find the sweet spot to get the bolt in easy. Now you can go and take the bolt to the other side. Get it in pretty easy, nice. Assemble the nut on the right side. Hold on the nut gentle. Tighten the bolt to 83 Newton meter. This is 61 foot-pound. Take the strap off and the fabric. And at the end bring back the seat and the covers. I hope it's working for you as easy as it was for me. Thanks for watching, bye bye.